The Supreme Court is stepping into a fight over California's attempt to regulate pro-life crisis pregnancy centers. The justices today announcing they will hear an appeal from those centers who say a new state law forces them to promote abortion. Jason Calvi is at the Supreme Court with more. Good evening, Jason.
Good evening, Lauren. That California law requires licensed pro-life pregnancy centers to share information with clients about abortion and other services. But those centers say the law violates their freedom of speech and religious liberty. I spoke to their lawyer today, and he tells me it's unconstitutional.
I mean, what we have in this case is the government forcing pro-life pregnancy centers, whose very identity, very goal, very mission, their religious beliefs at their core is to make sure that women choose life over abortion. And then you have the government stepping in and say, no, wait a minute, you have to tell each of these women where they can go get an abortion when you counsel them.
David Cortman represents a coalition of 135 pro-life centers in California involved in this case. He reminds the public the law was passed with the help of the pro-abortion group NARAL Pro-Choice California. It's the law's prime sponsor. The High Court will only review the free speech claim, not the center's complaint about religious freedom. And Lauren, the California law went into effect New Year's Day 2016. The case will be argued before the Supreme Court early next year, with a decision coming before the end of the term in June.
So while the California pro-life clinics, Jason, are waiting for this decision, what do they do?
Lauren, they face up to $500 in fines for the first offense. The pro-life clinics say the requirement mandating disclaimers forces them to get out of advertising. Think of those simple ads that say pregnant, need help. Under California law, those ads require a large 100+ word disclaimer.
Jason Calvi at the Supreme Court. Thank you, Jason.